21-inch iMac, unable to power on. We open the motherboard. See, we open motherboard. This coil of 3-volt coil. See, this 3-volt coil is shorted to the ground. See, in multimeter, it's 0002. This coil is 3-volt coil. This is 5-volt coil. 3-volt, 5-volt, and 3-volt coil is shorted to ground. For removing the shorting, we connect our DC supply with our thermal camera, and now we inject just 1.5 volt. See, we inject 1.5 volt just, and we on this. It's taken almost 1.5 2 amp. See, and there is suspected area. See, this area is little bit heating too much compared to other area. There is a 32 degree, approximately 32 degree, and other areas 29 degree, and this is indicate that this component is shorted to the ground. We have to check what is this component. This is a 3-volt 5-volt IC. Maybe we have to check the issue. Thank you.